So y'all, I was impatient. I had to see the cut of this soap. I sure did. I sure am. And I'm gonna brag and say this, that only I can do it, baby. Only I can make a soap and cut it on the same night. Yes, baby. So, let me show you my oopsie though. Let me show you my oopsie. Oops. I got some air pockets right there, y'all. I got some air pockets. That never happens to me. So, but it's not detrimental. It's not life or world ending. So we about to see what the cut of this soap is going to be like. So first we're going to cut a sample bar off right here for the customers to sniff on while they're trying to decide. And look, this is the sample. Look at it. So I always cut a sample piece off to leave out. I wrap the rest of my soap in shrink wrap, and you really can't smell the soap when you shrink wrap it. So I cut a piece off and leave it unwrapped for the customers to smell the soap. So that's the piece I cut off. So now we about to cut the soap. This is the first cut, y'all. And we about to see. Oh my goodness. Look at this soap. Look at this soap. Tell me this is not a beautiful bar of soap. Oh my God. Look, Pam. Are you looking? Pam, how many soap makers can you say made this soap a couple of hours ago and I can cut it right now? And look how beautiful this soap is. Oh my God. Pam, girl, you better put them dancing emojis up, girl. Look at that soap. I knew them colors was gonna make a bang statement. When I pick these colors out, I say, "Ooh, look, my whole end bag came off." Lord, when I picked these colors, I said, "Ooh, this is gonna be a banging soap," and a banging soap it is. Look at it. Look at this soap, y'all. And I still don't know what to name it. So the contest is still open. The contest is still open. If you subscribe to my YouTube page, Yabel Soaps, and you comment on one of these lives that I made tonight on what I should name this soap, and I pick your idea, you get a free bar of soap. And I pay the shipping, so you don't pay anything. All you do is give me your address and I mail you this soap. Look at this soap. Pam. Pam. Sunset Beach. Oh, that's out. Not sunset though, because this don't look like sunset colors. These colors are bright and vibrant. When you think about sunset, you think about dark colors of the sunset. And so let's see. Sunset Beach, that's a banging name though. I might have to make a cent to come up with that name though. But look at this soap, y'all. Didn't I tell you these colors was gonna bang together? Look at it. Oh my God. You find another soap maker better than me. I'll give you 5 bars of soap. You find another soap maker better than me, I'm telling you. And I ain't bragging, but I'm bragging. What y'all gonna do with me? Look at this. I made this soap a couple of hours ago on live with y'all. Look at it. Look at this soap. Found another soap maker better than me. Come on, Pam. Come up with another one. Because they scared. They don't want no free soap. I ain't never seen people who don't want free stuff. Ain't nobody commented the name of the soap yet. Nobody. I ain't never seen people scared of free stuff. Look at this. Oh, look at that big yellow drop. Tell me this soap ain't banging. Oh my God. Oh my God. So let's cut this end piece off right here, and we're gonna cut this end piece off. Put that right there. Tell me this ain't the baddest soap you ever seen in your life. Tell me this ain't the baddest soap you ever seen in your life. And thank God I made 2 loaves of it, because guess what? This soap right here, and the way it smells is even more radder and louder than the colors. The way it smells. Child, this scent I created, y'all better get it while it lasts, because I'm going to tell you now, I can't remember the ingredients that I put to making the scent. So you better get it while it lasts, because this is a bad scent. The scent is just as bad as the colors. Just as bad as the colors. And I'm going to tell y'all right now. You better get it while it lasts. Look at this soap. Look at it. You ain't never seen it before. Don't lie. You ain't never seen nothing this bad. Child, if you seen something this bad, send me the link and I give you the soap free. But you ain't, and you can't. Look at this. Look at it. Hunte. I love it. And it smells so good. Oh my God. The smell, y'all. It smells like pink grapefruit fruit on crack. That's what it smells like. It smells like pink grapefruit, tangy and sweet and citrus. It smells like pink grapefruit on crack. This is a good smelling soap. The colors are outstanding. Y'all, this soap was just waiting to be born. And it says, I am here, baby. I am here. Look at it. Look at me. I am here. These colors, though. The colors. Y'all. Oh, my goodness. Are y'all looking at this? Oh, my God. Look at it. Look at how beautiful. I'm putting it in your face. Yes. Oh my goodness. This the last cut, y'all. This the last cut. The last cut. We're going to try that one more time. Because that didn't even come out right. We're going to back it up, son. Hold up. Hold up. Get my Nate voice on. Hold up. Alright, there we go. Boom. Look at this soap. Tell me where you have found a more beautiful soap in your life. Send me a link and a picture, and I'll give you one of these bars of soap free. I ain't scared. Come on. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Y'all want this soap. Y'all want it. We got samples here. I got 2 samples to give away. But 2 of these samples is, well, I really just need 1 sample. Look at the sample cuts, though. Look at the sample cuts. My goodness. My goodness, my goodness. My goodness, my goodness. My goodness, my goodness. Child, I'm very pleased. I'm very, very, very pleased. Your soap maker could never. That's all I gotta say. If I'm not your soap maker could never made this soap a few hours ago, and it's cut and beautiful. Your soap maker could never. Yes, I'm bragging. I'm not trying to boast, but I'm boasting. And I'm going to turn the camera around and let the camera do all the boasting for me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Let me turn the camera down. Look at it. Look at that soap. And tell me it's not beautiful. Tell me it's not beautiful. Sunset Beach, that's what Beyonce call it. Let me like that. Sunset Beach. Hey. This is a banging soap. Look at the colors though. The colors is called Brazen Hussy and Bright Yellow Raincoat by Mad Michaels. Brazen Hussy by Mad Michaels. And I got the white with titanium dioxide and that beautiful bluish green color you see is from this off-brand mica that I got off of Amazon, and it's the name of the color is blue green. That's just how off-brand it is. Blue green by this company called Small Tongue, but it works out very well. You know, like I said, I experiment with buying micas off of Amazon to see what works and what doesn't, and this particular box of micas that I got, I love it. They work really well. Really well. As you can see with this beautiful soap you looking at, y'all gonna give me my props on here. That's what you're gonna do. You gonna give me my props on here. I'm gonna just let the camera sit there for a second. Look at it. Look at that beautiful white and that yellow that just come busting through, that yellow that say, yes, I'm here. And that brazen hussy that say, yes, I'm a hussy, but I'm here too. And then that cool blue-green that sneak in the background and say, yes, I'm here. I'm quiet, I'm shy, but I'm loud, but I'm here. Look at all them colors together. Look at it. Y'all know y'all want this soap. And the scent is unbelievable. It's like pink grapefruit on crack. It got some tanginess to it, sweetness and fruitiness to it. And it's like loud. It's out there. If you take a bath in this soap, you're not going to need to put no perfume on. I can tell you that right now. They're going to smell you coming. They were like, oh, she took a bath today. And they're going to be looking for that soap in the store and they ain't going to be able to find it. Why? Because it's not store-bought soap. Look at that. So, the contest is, and me post the link. The contest is if you subscribe to my YouTube channel that I just posted in the comments of this video. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you like this video and comment on this video what you think the name of this soap should be, I will send you a free bar of this soap. I'll pay for the shipping. You will pay absolutely nothing. So like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment, and if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video and comment what you think the name of the soap should be, and if I pick your name, you will win a free bar of this soap. And I'm making a body butter to go with this too, so I might throw in a body butter for free also. Look at that soap, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am not one to boast because really boasting is a sin. So I try not, I do enough sins. So things that I know that's a sin, I try not to do because I got enough on my plate. But y'all, I can't help it. I can't help it. I am ecstatic about this soap. And sometimes you have to brag on yourself. Sometimes you have to give yourself a pat on the back and say, good job. Because ain't nobody else will. Sometimes you have to do that. But yes, so I'm going to let y'all go. But I'm going to let y'all know that I'm that one. I am that one. So peace. Good night. I love y'all as God loves us. And y'all have a blessed night. And when y'all wake up in the morning, I hope y'all have a blessed and prosperous day tomorrow. And y'all think about my page and liking my page when y'all wake up. Good night, y'all.